Julie from Bookshelf by Julie, back with another video. This one's different. This is my first completed kit for digital papers. Yeah. I'm getting there. So I'm going to give you a flip through of what they look like. There's actually 21 pages in this kit. And it's all pages. So here you go. Each little bird has its little charm or whatever, and there's the corner pieces. There's a little bit of nondescript text in different places. Here we go. It actually is 2 sets. I really like this little bird. He just looks bashful or something. Let me see if I can bring him up closer to the... I'm not good at this still. Doesn't he just look shy? Okay. Enough of my, observant. So one kit is without lines, and the other one is with lines, and I'll show you those in a minute, because I just double-sided printed these, so, okay. Yep. This is where I start in with some hummingbirds. I like hummingbirds. I've had some experiences with hummingbirds. They're lots of fun. I had one get right up to like 2 or 3 inches from my nose one time. Yeah, that was a little bit scary. Okay. So these papers can be used for making journals, decorating journals, making signatures, excuse me, or just writing, letters to people. Whatever a person wants to use them for. Yep, I've definitely been bird hunting. Okay. And I had to add one of these, this hawk. There are some beautiful hawks around where I live. And they're just amazing to watch. I tried to add in a little bit of whimsy and fun, and oh, you got to see this guy. He just seems like he's squawking at whatever, everything, or I thought he was funny. Just putting some ideas onto the pages. Trying to make them pretty and usable. I'm definitely going to use these to make a celebration journal soon. Maybe I'll do one and give some sort of craft along videos as I do it. But I love the little birds and all their little elements, the little charms that go with them. So this is going to be a great celebration journal. And there we are. Okay. Those are all the plain ones. Well, they're not plain, but they're unlined, we'll call them. Let me see if I can get back in shot now. Now these ones is just the flip side of what you saw. I'll just go through a few of them so that you can see the lines are. Am I doing that right? Okay, yeah, the lines are there, and the elements are sitting right on top of the lines, so that you can write on them whatever you want to do. You can use them for signature. I'm a little off again. Get over. Okay. You can use them for a signature in a journal, which I'm going to do with the celebration journal I'm going to make. Or you can just use them as writing letters. So each one of them, each one of the ones that you just saw, have lines in the lined kit. Okay, we'll call it the lined kit. Yeah, if I were going to use these for like stationery to write letters, excuse me, I would simply chop them in half and make a paper stack with them. That way you got your lines going the right way. Okay? Okay, this is my next adventure. Thanks for watching.